Hello and welcome to the BWAC Levo e-learning course. This e-learning course refers to the repairing of the BWAC Levo hook. In this chapter you will learn how to repair or how to exchange the battery chamber. To exchange the battery chamber you need a screwdriver. Please make sure that you have the right bit size for the screws. For the battery chamber you need a Torx 20. Now our technician will demonstrate how to exchange the battery chamber. At the beginning, the sealing will be removed. Take care about the cables. Then the cables of the battery chamber will be disconnected. For this purpose, our technician removes the electronic unit a little bit, so that he has easier access to the cables. The electronic unit is fixed with an additional sealing, so it can be that the removing process needs a little bit more force. In any case, please be careful when you perform some works on the electronic unit. The battery chamber is connected with two cables. When the two cables are disconnected, the four screws of the battery chamber can be removed. For the assembling, please proceed as follows. As the first step, the battery chamber will be fixed with 4 screws. Due to the fact that the battery chamber is a plastic part, please tighten the screws carefully. After this, please test if the battery can be inserted correctly and locked correctly. If this is okay, please connect the two cables of the battery chamber with the electronic unit.